We're having a problem with our door where the latch doesn't latch whenever it closes. And if you look, you see that the plunger isn't sticking out all the way. It's stuck part way in. And so we're gonna fix it. First thing you have to do is take the doorknob off. Doorknob and the other doorknob. And you lay those down. And you take the end off. And you get the plunger bolt to come out, and you can see that it's like the spring is broke in there. It just isn't coming all the way out. And see, then it came all the way out actually, but when it goes back in, it's not working. So it's damaged, so time to replace it. Okay. All right, so now we're putting the new one in. Goes right in just like the old one. And we need the other doorknob. Put that through like that. We're going to start our screws off. No, not screws. There. Yep, we're going to start our screws off first. Put that down. And so we pop that loose. Now we got that in place. You can line up the screws. Whoops. Got it pretty tight. Just to cover back up on it. And it still don't work. Pretty good. All right, so this is the key that came with this lock. It locks it and unlocks it. And so now it's locked. And now it's unlocked. This is the key that goes to the other key locks in our house. This is the key that came with the new doorknob. It fits. So now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. Now it comes back out. This is the key that fits all the other locks on our house. It fits that one. But it doesn't fit this one. All it does is turns. So what we want to do is make this key work here. And so what we do to do that is we put that key in. Oh, wrong key. Put this key in, the new key. We put it in and turn it a half a turn. I think I'm gonna have to have a flashlight, but I think I can do it. And we insert the smart key in that little hole right under there, right underneath the key. Not sure it's going all the way in. Fully. And I believe that is fully. Then it says to take that out and take that out. Where's your key? Insert this key and you turn it 90 degrees and you pull it back out. And now this key fits this lock. And it still fits this lock. And it still fits this lock. And this key, the new key, doesn't fit in. And it doesn't fit the lock. And that's how you rekey your doorknob. And that's how you rekey your doorknob so that one key fits all of your locks. Of course, you have to be sure that you're using the Kwikset Smart Key doorknob and tool, or it won't work. And we're done. And you can have these two keys for nothing.